Good day to each and everyone, especially to our very own proof, Ma'am Ametis Bisagas. I am Reg Rilos, and today we will discuss or dig deeper about the consequences or condition of if a parolee is a compliant or non-compliant. So in my discussion, we'll topic the progress report, infraction report, cancellation of pardon and parole, and termination of parole and condition. So first is the progress report. So what is sulod aning progress report? So ang sulod ni progress report is the parolee or the pardonee commits another offense during his period of parole surveillance. So kani is during sa imong parole surveillance is nakakommit ka, o as the parolee is nakakommit og another offense, si PPO mupasa siya og report kay BPP, Boards of Pardon Parole. So kana na siya sa progress report. And sa infraction report, the IR is unsa may sulod pud ani? Ang sulod ani is the client committed another crime or violation of the terms and condition appearing his release document. So kani upon the receipt of the IR, the BPP may order the arrest of recruitment of the client. So if ever si client is nagranta na siya, tapos nakakonect na siya another crime, is the BPP shall made to serve the remaining unexpired portion of the maximum sentence of which the client was originally committed to prison. So mabalik siya if ever. So mauna siya si progress report and infraction report. And sa to ang cancellation of pardon, ang sulod pud ani is if ever si BPP is na found out niya na naay false or incomplete, willfully or maliciously concealed material information sa imuhang information or sa may report ba nimo or sa asa nimo sa mga information na imong gihatag, is i-cancel ni BPP. The BPP considered the case of our recommendation of parole for a grant to new parole. So nagay mo siya pero grant niya new after the latter shall serve 1/4 of the unserved portion of his maximum sentence. So kani is i-grant kani BPP og new parole, as mentioned, serve og 1/4. So that's a cancellation of pardon. So diri ana pud ta sa termination of parole and condition pardon. So kanina discussion is sa kuha ni client is na-comply na niya ang all the condition of the parole and pardon. Or na-expire na ang maximum sentence of the client, the BPP shall, upon the recommendation of the CPPO, with all the conditions, the BPP issues certificate of final release in condition. And upon issuing of the certificate of final release and discharge, shall be finally released and discharged from the condition appearing in his release document. So kana if ma-fulfill na tanan, hatagan na ni BPP si client o certificate of final release discharge, so igawas na siya. However, the access of accessory penalties of the law which have not been expressly remitted therein shall submit. So kana mo na siya si termination of parole and condition. So dirita sa conditions sa non-compliance and compliance. So if ever si parolee or pardonee or the client is compliant siya compliant siya in a way na gi-comply niya tanan. So according po sa sa atong previous na report sa page number 79 sa mga other reporters, if naka-consist sa religious compliance, positive response, significant improvements, marked improvement in outlook in life, significant growth in self-esteem, self-discipline, and self-fulfillment, if na siya na mga report, and if na-grant na siya, si BPP mag-release siya og certificate of final release and discharge. So ana siya freedom. So diri amo na siya kay compliance. However, sa non-compliance, if ma-active ka gatag report, progress report, infraction report, violation report, is ihatag na niya kay BPP, niya si BPP pod mo-order og order of arrest and recruitment. So diri ang result ani if matagan kag order, if mahatagan og order of arrest and recruitment, is na siya condition or consequences na iserve ang the remaining portion of the maximum sentence for which he has originally committed to prison. So dira nagtuyok ang topic, and that's all sa topic. God bless you all. Thank you for listening.